The Camaro with the color morph is coming out right now. Switching all those colors up, guys. We're about to wrap this one up today. We got the wheels on it now. Morphing around. We got the back wheels going on right now. And we got Dr. Drew over here getting the last ones in. So we'll be having this one out today, guys. Drew is on it. Look at him, boy. He grinding on this one today. Look at him. Look at that face, boy. He's like, what? He didn't want to look at the camera. Say something to the people on YouTube, man.
I'm tired.
I'm tired. I feel you, man. But this is about to roll out today. And we also got the fog lights morphing around too. So we got the whole front end morphing around, guys. This should be doing a few minutes, guys. So the Camaro with the color morph is coming out right now. Switching all those colors up, guys. We're about to wrap this one up today. We got the wheels on it now. Morphing around. We got the back wheels going on right now. And we got Dr. Drew over here getting the last ones in. So we'll be having this one out today, guys. Drew is on it. Look at him, boy. He grinding on this one today. Look at him. Look at that face, boy. He's like, what? He didn't want to look at the camera. Say something to the people on YouTube, man.
I'm tired.
I'm tired. I feel you, man. But this is about to roll out today. And we also got the fog lights morphing around too. So we got the whole front end morphing around, guys. This should be doing a few minutes, guys. So the Camaro with the color morph is coming out right now. Switching all those colors up, guys. We're about to wrap this one up today. We got the wheels on it now. Morphing around. We got the back wheels going on right now. And we got Dr. Drew over here getting the last ones in. So we'll be having this one out today, guys. Drew is on it. Look at him, boy. He grinding on this one today. Look at him. Look at that face, boy. He's like, what? He didn't want to look at the camera. Say something to the people on YouTube, man.
I'm tired.
I'm tired. I feel you, man. But this is about to roll out today. And we also got the fog lights morphing around too. So we got the whole front end morphing around, guys. This should be doing a few minutes, guys. Mr. J. Cruz, aka known as the Audio Cat, have another little short but beautiful video for you. We had a privilege and an honor of working on this bad boy Camaro here. So I know y'all have seen these before. Think what they call the Oracle Morph lights. So as you can see them right now, they're actually going through multiple different colors and changing around and doing all the different colors that you could possibly think about and give designings and floating around. They're actually installing the fog lights too, so you can see that everything right now is chasing each other around and doing its thing. But that's not all it, guys. He has some beautiful wheels in this car. They're 24 inches on there, but you can also see that the wheels themselves also have the color morph going on right now. So as we speak, you see that the colors are changing on those wheels. That goes all the way in a wraparound. So every wheel in this car is having color morphing going on right now as we speak. This is a customer referred to me from an old customer of mine. I guess they worked together at the same job, and he brought this project to me. On this video, there's something we are going to disclose, that there was a little incident that happened with it that delayed the car, and I just like to be truthful about everything that happens. But you can see the morphing going on. This car belongs to Mr. Jeremy here. He owns this car, referred to us by a customer of mine named Otavio. Long story short, in the process of opening these headlights, one of our technicians left it in the oven and it ended up burning out the headlights, so I had to buy him a new headlight. But it's some of the stuff that happened. We took care of it for the client. We gave him a new light. We got it situated. I mean, we're not gonna make everything perfect. Things do happen sometimes, and we just took care of it for him. But he came in today, and I want to take a video with him about his car. So I want to ask you a question, Mr. Jeremy. How are you feeling about your car right now?
Man, I love it, man. It looks great. It looks amazing. It came out better than I thought it would.
How much attention do you get at this car at night?
Like, crazy.
I could imagine. You married or you single?
I'm single.
You single. That's why you did all this, man. That's why you could do all this. You could put the rims in the car, put the stickers in the car, do all that kind of stuff because you're single. Because once you get married, the finances go to your house. Everything. And I know y'all on YouTube understand that. Once you get married or you're in a relationship or you live with somebody, money don't flow the same. There's bills to be paid. There's extra food to buy. There's, you know, things you got to be buying. Because a man, we could just live with a regular bed, have a little headboard, have some basic couches. Wifey want to buy pictures for the houses. They want to buy these little tables, these little corner things, and that's where the money goes. But I guess it's just a part of growing up. You know what I'm saying? Truthfully, part of growing up. But I'll tell you what, this was one of the ones that I really enjoyed doing with my guys, because in reality, the car by itself, and you can say he came inside, the car's clean. And besides being clean, I mean, it's the guy who loves his car. We'll talk about other projects, but this guy, I think, is coming to the HELLCAT real soon. You can see right now, I don't know if y'all can see it, but let me get closer for y'all. It's actually morphing around in red and doing some rotating and doing designs. And I mean, that's a pretty cool looking thing, man. It kind of brings a uniqueness to the job. And we've had the privilege of doing it for Mr. Jeremy. So we're actually gonna go ahead and we gave him the card the other day. He came in to do some fine and some understanding, and we got all situated. Had to take a video and bring it to y'all. Want to thank you guys for watching this channel. Thank you guys for subscribing to this channel. The giveaway is already coming out now, guys. We've delayed on it because Real was in California. He just got back in, so we got everything together to make a live event. We're gonna hype it up with you guys so you guys know what date it's gonna be and we get this situated. But want to thank y'all for watching this video. God bless.